Hard to hold a conversation when there's music blasting overhead or someone talking over you. A shared experience between us humans on land and animals in the ocean. We know it's bad for whales, and now a BC researcher is exploring how human-made noise is affecting fish. Anna McMillan has more.
There are a lot of vessels that pass through waters like this,
interrupting important conversations between the animals who live here.
You hear about orcas and the ferries and shipping traffic, but it's not limited to whales.
UVic researcher Mackenzie Woods says we can't forget about fish, like the plainfin midshipman, which she studies near the Olympic Peninsula.
So we have underwater microphones called hydrophones that we put right outside of their nests. And then we can drive the boat around and compare the recordings from when we were driving the boat to the time directly before and after the boat.
What she found,
they vocalize less when there's boat noise.
Normally, they're a chatty bunch, grunting to keep intruders away from their nests and humming to attract a mate.
So they might not be able to protect their eggs.
Or lay any at all if their calls for a mate aren't heard.
So it is really important to capture these underwater soundscapes sort of like as a baseline before the sounds of many of these species are masked by human-made noise or worse, before they disappear.
Conservationist Valeria Vergara says slowing vessels, limiting traffic in sensitive areas, and using ship quieting technologies are highly effective.
Some of them are being used, luckily, and it's more industry and more people have to begin buying into them. And I think the more education there is on this matter, the more that will begin to be the case.
Which is why she says the research Woods is doing is so important.
There is so much potential with this field because noise is quite easy to mitigate, unlike plastic pollution or ocean acidification. As soon as you stop the noise at the source, it's gone.
Allowing underwater sounds like this to continue. Anna McMillan, CTV News.